everyone. Welcome to my English podcast. My name is Your Name, and I'm so happy you're here today. This podcast is for English learners. We will practice English together. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen and learn. Today, we will talk about morning routines. A routine means the things you do every day. Your morning routine is what you do every morning. I will share my morning routine with you. I will use simple English. You can learn new words and practice listening. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. 6:30 in the morning. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel good and ready for the day. The first thing I do is I turn off my alarm. Turn off means to stop something. I turn off the alarm on my phone. Then I sit up in bed. I don't jump out of bed immediately. No. I sit for 1 or 2 minutes. I take a deep breath, like this. It helps me wake up slowly. After sitting, I stand up. I stretch my arms and my legs. Stretch means to make your body long and loose. That feels good. Stretching is important. It wakes up your body. Now I'm awake. What do I do next? I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I do 3 things. First, I wash my face. I use cold water. Cold water helps me wake up. I wash my face with soap and water. Then I dry my face with a towel. Second, I brush my teeth. This is very important. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. Brush, brush, brush. Clean teeth are healthy teeth. Third, I comb my hair, or sometimes I brush my hair. Comb and brush, both words are okay. I make my hair look nice and neat. These 3 things, wash face, brush teeth, comb hair, I do them every single morning. Every single morning. This is my morning hygiene routine. Hygiene means keeping your body clean and healthy. Do you do these things in the morning too? I think you probably do. Now I'm awake. What do I do next? I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I do 3 things. First, I wash my face. I use cold water. Cold water helps me wake up. I wash my face with soap and water. Then I dry my face with a towel. Second, I brush my teeth. This is very important. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. Brush, brush, brush. Clean teeth are healthy teeth. Third, I comb my hair, or sometimes I brush my hair. Comb and brush, both words are okay. I make my hair look nice and neat. These 3 things, wash face, brush teeth, comb hair, I do them every single morning. Every single morning. This is my morning hygiene routine. Hygiene means keeping your body clean and healthy. Do you do these things in the morning too? I think you probably do. Now I'm awake. What do I do next? I go to the bedroom. In the bedroom, I open my closet. A closet is where you keep your clothes. What do I wear? Well, it depends on the day. On work days, I wear casual clothes, maybe jeans and a t-shirt, or sometimes pants and a shirt. On cold days, I wear a sweater. A sweater is warm clothing for cold weather. On hot days, I wear shorts and a light shirt. I choose my clothes and I put them on. First, I put on my underwear and socks, then my pants or shorts, then my shirt. Easy. Getting dressed takes me about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, that's all. Now I'm ready. I'm clean, I'm dressed, and I feel good. Now comes my favorite part of the morning, breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Break, fast. You break your fast. You haven't eaten all night, so you break that time without food. I go to the kitchen. I'm usually hungry in the morning. What do I eat for breakfast? Let me tell you. Some days I make eggs. I like scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are easy to make. I crack 2 eggs into a pan. I cook them. I add a little salt and pepper. Delicious. Other days I eat cereal. Cereal is very quick and easy. I pour cereal into a bowl. I add milk and I eat it with a spoon. It's cold, crunchy, and tasty. Sometimes I eat toast with butter. Toast is bread that you heat up. It becomes warm and crispy. I put butter on top. So simple, but so good. And every morning, I drink something. Usually, I drink orange juice. Orange juice is sweet and healthy. It has vitamin C. Some people drink coffee in the morning. I don't drink coffee every day, but when I do, I like it with a little milk and sugar. Breakfast is important. It gives you energy for the day. Energy means power and strength to do things. I spend about 15 minutes eating breakfast. I don't rush. Rush means to go very fast. No, I eat slowly and enjoy my food. After breakfast, I do a few more things before I start my day. First, I check my phone. I look at messages. I check the weather. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? This helps me know if I need an umbrella or a jacket. Second, I brush my teeth again. Yes, again. After eating, I brush my teeth one more time. Remember, healthy teeth are important. Third, I pack my bag. I put my phone in my bag. I put my wallet in my bag. I put my keys in my bag. Sometimes I pack a water bottle too. Finally, I put on my shoes. I'm ready to go. From waking up to leaving my home, my morning routine takes about 1 hour, 1 full hour, from 6:30 to 7:30. So, that's my morning routine. That's what I do every morning. Let me review quickly. I wake up at 6:30. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and comb my hair. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I check my phone and pack my bag. I leave my home. What about you? What is your morning routine? Is it similar to mine, or is it different? Think about your morning in English. Practice talking about your routine. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this was helpful for your English learning. Remember, practice every day and you will improve. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.